Step into the 2017 Kia Sorento. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.